Cycling outdoors can involve many unexpected elements, such as rain, wind, sun, bugs, and debris. And the right pair of shades can make or break your ride because it's hard to ride with a bug in your eye. So I'm here to take you through what to look for and how to choose the best sunglasses so it can be smooth sailing on your next ride. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel. I'm Gabby, and this is the destination on YouTube to stay updated on all things eye health, sun protection, and sunglasses. Whether you're cycling professionally or just for fun, there are many things to consider when looking at the best sunglasses for cycling. Now, let's get down to it. Why wear sunglasses while cycling? Well, wearing sunglasses while cycling is a crucial factor in making sure that you have the safest and most enjoyable ride. You want a pair of sunglasses that perform as well as you do. Think about it. You're cycling, it starts to rain, and boom, your eyes are wet. And it's not because you just listened to your favorite Adele song. Sunglasses can help protect you from the elements. If you're going down a path at 15 miles per hour, trust me, you're gonna wanna have something to shield your eyes. Real quick, before we dive into how to choose the best sunglasses for biking, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any helpful sunglass and eye protection videos, like this one. Now, let's get into how to find the best sunglasses for cycling. So, what do you need to look for in the right pair of sunglasses for cycling? Finding the right pair can feel overwhelming. So, I'm going to break down for you what you need to look for. When buying the right pair of sunglasses, I look for four main things: versatility, protection, comfort, and frame strength. Fun fact, wearing sunglasses while cycling started to grow in popularity among pro cyclists in the mid-90s, and then skyrocketed when Lance Armstrong won the 1999 Tour de France wearing an Oakley M frame. These cyclists understood the importance of protecting your eyes not just from the sun, but also weather elements. And a little known secret, they also like to wear sunglasses because then their rivals wouldn't be able to tell how tired they were from their eyes. So, I guess there's a fifth thing: fooling your enemies. Now, let's break those down. First up, versatility. What does versatility mean when it comes to sunglasses, and why is it important for cycling? Well, when you're cycling through different light conditions, like going through dappled light on a forest trail or a lot of direct sunlight and glare on a busy street, you're going to need a pair of sunglasses that are adaptable to those varying light conditions. Versatility in your sunglasses can be achieved in one of two ways: buying a pair of sunglasses where you can easily switch out the lenses, or getting a pair of photochromic lenses. Photochromic lenses are also known as transition lenses, which I'll get to in just a sec. Buying a pair of sunglasses that you can switch out the lenses in is easier than ever, especially with Fused lenses. Fused lenses has some great options of lenses that you can replace in sunglasses that you already own. We have over 20 different tints and shades. Check out our other video on all the different replacement lens options we offer. Yellow and brown tinted lenses help in low light conditions, like early morning or dusk, and helps you see the road ahead of you better by brightening the contrast. Then, when it's mid-afternoon, when the sun is shining brighter than ever, all you have to do is switch out the lenses to darker tints or polarized lenses that will block more of the light. However, if you feel like swapping out your lenses takes too much time, photochromic lenses may be the right option for you. These are transition lenses that adapt to the changing light, getting darker when you need more protection from the sun and lighter when you're in low light conditions. We have a great video that goes into detail about photochromic lenses, so check that out in the description. My favorite lenses for cycling at Fused are the Sapphire Mirror, Yellow Polarized, G15, and tried and true photochromic. Our lenses start at only $24.99. Okay, number 2, protection. Protection is key when it comes to your sunglasses. There are a couple things to keep in mind here: coverage and polarization. Coverage refers to the bend in the glasses, aka how much they cover your eyes from the front to the sides. The more elements you have to deal with, the more coverage you'll want from your sunglasses. Comment below with the craziest thing that has gotten in your eyes while cycling. Polarization is another good option for eyewear and eye health, especially when riding. Polarized sunglasses take care of the light that can blind you bouncing off metal or flat roads. You may also know this light by a different name: glare. And glare can be detrimental to your eye health if you don't protect your eyes from it. And getting blinded by glare could possibly cause an accident while you're riding. That's why polarized lenses can keep you and your eyes safe while cycling. To learn more about polarized lenses and how to get polarization in your sunglasses, Watch our other videos linked in the description below. The Fuse Egmont or 3 Rooker sunglasses are great options for optimal sun and wind protection, and have polarized options as well. Lucky for you, these sunglasses are also a part of our new line of sunglasses here at Fuse. And I gotta mention a quick humble brag. Our Fuse Egmont glasses were recently featured on Business Insider's list of best polarized sunglasses. Alright, enough bragging. Let's move on to number 3, comfort. Comfort. My favorite thing. Sunglass comfort varies from person to person. Some people might prefer lighter weight to their sunglasses, while others enjoy the fit of a heavier pair. So definitely try out different pairs to decide which weight is most comfortable for you. Also, things like nose padding definitely help with comfort. Our Fuse Egmont glasses come with nose padding that will keep your glasses comfortably on your face through all the literal ups and downs of cycling. Now we're at the final important feature to look for in your cycling sunglasses: frame strength. Frame strength is super important because you never know what a ride is going to bring. The best kind of material you want in terms of durability for cycling sunglasses is TR90. Make sure to check if the sunglasses you want use this kind of material, especially if you need impact-resistant sunglasses. TR90 is a kind of polymer material with memory that is also very lightweight. It has a high flexibility, is ultra durable, and the ultralight features make the frames incredibly comfortable. Our Fuse 3 Rooker sunglasses are a great option that is lightweight and made with TR90 material, like most of our sunglasses here at Fuse. We did it! We made it through all the things to look for in the right pair of sunglasses for cycling. Okay, so let's review. You gotta protect your eyes when cycling from the sun, rain, wind, bugs, and debris. The best sunglasses for cycling will depend on the light conditions you're in. If you don't feel like changing out your lenses, photochromic or transition lenses might be the right ones for you. And protection, comfort, and frame strength are always important factors to consider when testing out a new pair of shades for your next ride. That's where Fuse has you covered. We are the experts in all things sunglasses. So if you're interested in learning more about Fuse lenses, replacement lenses, go to fuselenses.com/YouTube and find your brand and style, or you can also create your own custom lenses super easily. With Fuse, you get a pair of quality cycling sunglasses without spending an arm and a leg. I just had a vision of me like throwing up my arm. Woo! Well, that's all the info I have today on the best sunglasses for cycling. I hope you learned something about the importance of the right eyewear while cycling. If so, give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on vision and sun protection and all things sunglasses. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.